You're here.
Hey everybody, Happy New
He's
Year.
here. Happy New Year.
That's a good way to start the new year off.
I hope that you are enjoying this beautiful day wherever you find yourself, and that your spirits are high, and um, that you have so much hope in what 2024 can
Hope,
bring for us.
dreams, manifestation, all the good stuff.
All that stuff that it's in the unknown, and literally we can create whatever the fuck we want.
Intentions.
And we're doing that for ourselves today, but we want to share this process in a community, and so we invite you um, as an opportunity to kind of get curious about what you want to create in 2024 and put it down on paper and set this powerful tool for intention, and that way it creates a navigation tool for you during the upcoming year.
So we can manifest that shit, right?
Manifest that shit. It's this coming up this Friday. All you gotta do is sign up, register.
We
It's
just want to build community and set our intentions together because we feel there's more power in doing things together. And we want to look at the difference between creating a transactional intention and an intention that's big enough to transform us as we get there.
amazing. No cost to you. Just show up.
And be part of the community. Yeah?
Yeah. Besito.
Yeah. Happy New Year, everybody.
Happy New Year.